Hello students, so here we are going to use how to use pastel color. So first of all I am making a drawing. You can see I have a blank sheet and now I am making a bird drawing, kingfisher. I'm making a face, starting with the face, and now I'm making a body and feathers. So here I am going to make a tree where bird is sitting, a branch and some leaves and flowers. So now I'm making another bird, and this bird is going to hold a fish. You can see a fish in her mouth, and now making a face. Here I'm making wings. Now the legs, and I'm completing the tree branch. So making some more leaves and flowers with branch. Now I'm going to start coloring. First of all I'm going to use a light blue color. You have to do in the body with light blue tone, and one thing you have to remember, you have to do in a one direction. Fill the whole body with the light blue shade. I'm doing the wings face with the light blue. Here I'm going to color the tail also, and the same way I have to do color in the other bird. I have to give, first I am giving a one single tone of light blue shade. You can see you have to apply the color in one direction only, not zigzag and cross. You have to handle your hand in one direction to apply the color. So first we have to do complete the light tone of blue. Now I am giving darker tone. I have chosen the darker color of blue, the dark tone, and I am giving only on the edges, not on the whole part. Remember, we don't have to color the dark in the whole part. We have to do it on the edges only. You can see on the corner area and on the bottom side I am giving the depth with darker tone. Like this you have to do. The same way I am going to apply in the other bird. You can see I have not filled the whole body with same color. I am giving the shades on the depth area. And now I am using a cotton. You have to use a little cotton to rub it, and by this process you can see the dark and light tone will be merged easily. You can merge the whole dark and light tone. So here you have to merge it properly with soft hands. Don't rub it with hard. Use your soft hand, apply the cotton. Now I am giving the yellow tone. I am choosing in the body part, I am choosing the yellow lighter color. And same I am going to apply on the other bird. You have to do shading with a soft hand. Now I am using a orange color, and I am applying the color, not the whole part, just leaving the yellow as a lighter tone, and orange I am using as a darker tone. You can see I am not given shade to every part. I am applying only on the bottom side and on the edges, and leave the whole part with the lighter tone of yellow. So like this you have to give shading with light and dark tone. Here you can see on the eyes also, some part I'm leaving with yellow and some I'm shading with orange. So this is how you have to give light and dark shade. With colors also you can give, and now I'm going to rub it with cotton to merge the tone. You can see very lightly I'm using a cotton to merge it. And again I'm giving some darker tone on the bottom side. Now you can see the tones of yellow and the tones of blue. The light tone blue and light dark blue, and light yellow and darker yellow as orange. Now I'm giving a shade in tree branch, and now you can see I'm applying a single tone of brown color. And now I have to use a darker brown. I'm in the bottom area, I'm doing the darker brown tone. And now I am going to rub it with cotton. With the help of cotton, the color will be merged easily. You can merge the color properly, the light and dark tone in oil pastels. And now I'm applying some more darker tone in some area on the bottom side. Why I have chosen the bottom area, I'm giving bottom with a dark tone, because if the light is source is coming on from the top, then always the bottom will be darker. And now in leaves I am using a light green color, and then I will apply a darker green on some area to give the shades. In flowers I'm using a pink an orange tone, and now the peak I am giving the dark brown color in both birds. This I am making a kingfisher. You can see why they have a bigger peak, because they are a kingfisher. And one is holding a fish, and in fish I am giving a yellow tone using a light yellow and just shade with a lighter brown. And in the background I am making a leaves garden. For that I am using a light green color. First I have drawn the shape and then filling the color properly in one direction. And now I am merging it with cotton. You can see in legs also I am giving the orange tone, and now I am using a sketch pen and making the garden area and legs. So here you can see our bird is complete now. So you can make this, and in this video I have told you how to use colors, oil pastels,